afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Brown's Riding Custom. Happy Sunday. We are officially 8.5 days to the Louisville Street Road Nationals, NSRA Street Road Nationals. So, big day today. I had a couple interesting things happen. Last we talked, we thought that we were good here. We knew we needed to add a tick more refrigerant to the AC system. But what we found out, when we started the truck up this morning, I put some refrigerant in it. We turned it off, and I heard a tss. I heard a leak. So what the hell? It was the one place that I couldn't see, which is right here, behind the battery and battery box and everything else. So what happened was the new line, the seal was bad on the new line we put in. So had to go in there, evacuate everything back out. If you hear that noise, it's Big Ron's gonna jack up the 40, putting seats in. But we had to go through that, fix the seal, put three new seals on, and then that's what that line had on it, and then put it all back together, vacuum it down, and then fill it back up. So did that, and now we have really cool air conditioning, which is great. I think we got like 42 degrees coming out of the vents. I'll take it. And it's like 100 and something degrees out here with high humidity, so that matters too in that whole equation. But AC's done, which is great. Went ahead and got the oil changed in Big Red, also great. Oil and filter, I went ahead and detailed out the inside, wiped her down, vacuumed it out. It was terrible. And, got it ready to where we got something somewhat decent to cruise up to Kentucky in. Hold on. There's still things to fix. 90% of this truck is new mechanically. So, yeah, we're looking pretty good. Also filled it with fuel. So as of right now, it is full of fuel, oil change, AC works, and pretty much ready to go. I do need to put this wheel well back in. That'll take seconds. And you can do it. Just pull it. And we'll go from there. He's trying to be quiet. It's almost impossible to do. If you guys were wondering how we do this, this is the process of jacking up the 40 Ford. You pull it on boards, 2 jacks. It's a trip. But we need to get the nose up in the air so we can at least get under it to bolt the seats down from the bottom. So, yeah. Now, moving from this is ready, to this guy. This has come a long way today too. So, as you guys know, we're in the process of switching over seats from these gray, what I have no idea what they came out of, and the Buick Envoy. Yesterday I made a mistake. I said GMC Envoy. It's Buick, I want to say Envoy or something to that effect. Envoy seats. So that's what we're putting in. This one here, 3 of the 4 bolts fit in the bottom. Ron's already went ahead and modified the tracks. The seat risers, they look like these. That's actually one pair, and they bolt together, and they go up and down, inside, back and forth, so it's kind of cool. So we're almost there on the passenger. We'll have the passenger done here in a little bit after dinner. Drivers might be a tomorrow thing. It's getting a little late, but car's come a long way. I'm missing a couple lug nuts on the back. I just got to pull them out of a drawer and throw them on. I'm going to get the lug nuts on, and I do think I might either today or tomorrow play with these. Get those done. I'm tired of talking about them and not doing it. And yeah, 44's rocking. It's about there. Now, there's some other stuff going to happen over here on the car trailer side of the world. We're gonna jack this car trailer up. We're gonna replace this tongue here with a new one. This one's actually bent. If you look at it, it's kind of like that a little bit. We're gonna replace that. We have a new one. We're gonna weld it on and bolt it on. And then we're gonna build a custom fairing right here out of wood. just to get us to Louisville, to keep all the crap off the car. It'll kind of come up and then kick back a little bit. And we're also going to add, we were paying attention and doing the math. If we pull the 40 Ford onto here, the door, if you go to open the door, will not clear this. So we gotta figure that out. So what we're thinking is when we pull it on, we're gonna put a couple boards here so it goes up a couple inches so we can open the door and get in and out of the car once we pull it on there. So a couple mods here. We're gonna pull the wheels off. All the tires are new. We're going to literally new. They're like 2 weeks old. And we're gonna grease the bearings and all that in the hubs and make sure everything's right. Test the lights. This monster will be ready. So it's all at this point, guys, just getting ready. All the things, you know, to just get you there and make sure you make it. And that's kind of where we're at. So anywho's, I'm waiting on pizza. This is exciting. And yeah, I'm gonna help Big Ron. So you guys have a great night. I think my pizza's pulling up now. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.